Hey everybody, got another Where's the Gun box break. This one for 2011 Topps Precision Mini Box. It is currently 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday the 11th. And this is our buyer list for auctions ending on the 9th. Alright. Here we go. Thanks for bidding, everybody. I'm giving everybody a chance at a free box break. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to have a YouTube channel yourself, or else I have no name to put in the drawing and no way to contact you. But the first 100 subscribers will get put in a drawing for a chance at a free box break. Alright, good luck everybody. I have a Hakeem Nicks for the Giants, Michael Vick for the Eagles, Drew Brees for the Saints, and we have a red autograph Torrey Smith, numbered 54 out of 75. Torrey Smith for the Baltimore Ravens. Red auto. Alright, thanks for bidding everybody. Be sure to check out my other auctions and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a chance at a free box break.